Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this low to high quality video transition on CapCut PC. Just going to split that there. For the low quality one, I'm just going to scale it down just a little bit, and then I'm going to right click, create compound clip. Then I'm going to scale it up again just to create this a low quality vibe. Adjustments, turn down the brightness and the saturation as well. On the second one, you're going to want to copy and paste that like so, and then go to adjustments, curves, and you're going to do the same thing I do, just turn it this way for all of your clips. There you go. Now, effects, go to lens and add in a blur on top of that. Select these, right click, create compound clip, go back to video, basic blend mode, linear burn. It's gonna look super weird right now, but trust the process. Go to media and add in a white stock video on top of that as well and adjust it. Go to blend mode, select overlay. And if it looks kind of weird here, just adjust the opacity on this right here. Go back to your original video, go to adjustments, basic, and here you can just adjust it according to your liking. I might adjust this a little bit more so it's not too dark. And that should be it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!